beginner. So most beginner violins, starter violins, will have tuners on all 4 strings. So the E, the A, the D, and the G. Okay? All violins have a tuner on the E string anyway, because it's a finely tuned string. But the thing is to remember, you don't need to touch the pegs until you're further along the line. So in the beginning stages, just work with your tuners, okay? So I only have a tuner on my E string, but I will demonstrate for you. So if I'm playing my E string here, that's the E. Now, if I turn the tuner clockwise, I'm going to make it sharper. So here we go. I'm turning it clockwise. And that's now sharper. Here we go. Now, if I turn it anti-clockwise, I'm going to make it flatter. So there you go. So that's how I adjust the tuner to the frequency that I'm looking for. And you will need to talk to your teacher about how you go about the tuning process as well. So there you go.